Bayo nĩaremetwo kũhitha kĩeha gĩake na nĩareyumĩririe ena marakara maingĩ mũno ngoro gũkũmithia gĩko gĩkoretwo gĩgĩthiĩ na mbere kũrĩ ahonoki kana Christians na aini a nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai, kũrĩa augĩte nĩmakoretwo makĩonerwo mũno ke ũmwe wao they are being judged unfairly guoka nĩ social media and what they post on social media. Bayo has come out to expose and also bring to light how they as Christians and gospel artists are being accused of showing off their wealth on social media whenever they post their achievements kana maũndũ marĩa Ngai amekĩire. Maratigwo makĩrwo atĩ rĩu nĩ gwĩtĩĩa maretĩĩa, they are just showing off on social media, but whenever they post their challenges and pains and financial struggles that they are going through, no one has an issue with that. No mageria post their achievements and their success, andũ makamokĩrĩra makĩmera nĩ maretĩĩa and they are using social media to show off. And this is what she shared here, akiuga, it is funny how when Christians post how they are going through a painful, hopeless and financially unstable season in life, we are quick to encourage them and tell them how the Lord will come through for them and change the situation. Wait until the situation changes and they post what the Lord did. Where the same Christians will call it pride and show off. Why is it okay for Christians to post their painful and sad life but not their blessings? Kai tũtetĩkĩtie Ngai nĩarathimaga. When Hannah was blessed with Samuel, she sang a song and told everyone what the Lord had done. Wewe jaribu uone. Where? Bayo says it is just unfair how they are treated as Christians. It's okay for them to post their pains and struggles, but their achievements, they are not allowed to post them. People don't want them to post their achievements. Tondũ mekwĩrwo nĩ mareyonania. And she wants it to stop. It's high time people realize that Ngai nĩarathimaga, and it's okay to show people how far God has brought you. It's okay to post your achievements. O ta Hannah rĩrĩa arathimirwo na mwana. It is not show off, ti gwĩtĩĩa makoo magĩtĩĩa. It's a testimony ya harĩa Ngai amarutĩte. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.